Hello everyone, here is the updated 2024 PBA Playoffs bracket, game results and standings through May 29th. Meralco Bolts wins over the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel 86-81. Bolts shooting guard Bong Quinto scored 23 points. 2024 PBA semifinals game schedule on May 31st. San Miguel Beermen wins series 4-0 and advance to the PBA Finals 2024. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel vs Meralco Bolts Game 7 game will kick off at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. RPTV will broadcast on May 31st. San Miguel vs Meralco Bolts Game recap. Game 1, San Miguel wins 92-88. Game 2, Meralco Bolts wins 103-91. Game 3, Meralco Bolts wins 87-80. Game 4, San Miguel wins 90-71. Game 5, San Miguel wins 89-84. Game 6, Meralco Bolts wins 86-81.